In this video, we'll learn to use Premiere Elements 2024. So let's get started. First, we must download Premiere Elements. Once downloaded, open the installer. Then leave the language and location as they are. This part will take a few minutes, so go get a coffee or something. Once installed, the interface will pop up. From here, we can open Premiere and Photoshop Elements. Click Video Editor to open it. We again need to sign in with our Adobe email here. Also, I'm using the trial version, so I see this pop up. Premiere Elements has 3 editing modes. This is the quick mode to trim a video and combine photos and videos to create a simple project. The second is guided, which will guide you in editing videos. If you want to do something specific and the option is here, just click on it. Elements will help you get that done with your own media. However, the real power of this program is in the advanced mode. In this layout, we take full control. This is the timeline supporting multiple video and audio tracks. We have a few options to get started. Elements also has a dark mode. Click this light icon and choose dark from this drop down. Now if you restart the app, you'll see the dark theme. Alright, let's add media by clicking here. This window will open. Click the second option. From here, we can select the media to import. However, if we hold down the Control key, we can select multiple files. Then from the project assets, we can just drag and drop media to the timeline to use it in the project. When you add your first video or photo, this pop-up will appear. This tells us that the project sequence settings are different than the video settings. Click Change Settings to match them both. Here's the playhead. Move it to preview the video. You see this scissors icon, this will split the clip. Now we have 2 clips. We can select and move either with the mouse button. To delete one, select it and click the bin icon. I'm going to make 2 more cuts here and delete the middle part. Also, when you hover over the edge of a clip, you'll see this red trim icon. Clicking the mouse button and then moving your pointer will trim this clip. We can also bring back the trimmed part by going the other way. I'm going to make some more cuts and remove the unnecessary parts. Looks tidy enough. Let's talk about basic movement. In this Applied Effects panel, you'll find the motion and opacity options. In motion, we get the clip position. Click it to change it, or hold down the mouse button and move the mouse left and right to adjust the value. We also have the video scale and rotation. The opacity is the clip's transparency. If you add a photo or video on the top and you adjust the opacity, you'll see both videos blending. To separate audio and video, right-click on a clip and click the Unlink option. Then we can trim the video only and place a different clip for B-roll. Premiere Elements is not as flexible as Premiere Pro, but it's a good program to learn to edit videos. I have done the same at a few other places. Now we'll add some text. There are a few text options, but to add simple text, hover over text on the top and click New Text, then Default Text. Click it to edit it. Then choose the selection tool and place the text where you want to. We also have quick position options. All the text options are to the right. Changing the font size, color and alignment is possible. The color option supports solid and gradient colors. We'll select each and adjust the colors. These pre-made styles will quickly change the text style. We also have some animations to make this text less boring. To try one, click on it and hit apply. Text templates are over here. Those can be quickly imported and adjusted in the project. For templates, we edit the text from the right panel. Templates also have specific features and you can adjust those to get the most out of them. Adjustments is where we find all the video and audio tools. Here we can adjust video colors and audio quality. Smart Fix automatically finds any color issues and fixes them. Shake reduction is helpful if you have shaky footage and want to reduce it. It has quick and detailed modes. Auto Smart Tone is another feature to fix the video colors. If you want to take the matter into your own hands, then the Blow tools will let you adjust colors manually. We don't get custom values like in some other programs, but Elements has pre-made presets to apply. Also, in each tool you'll see an auto option to apply colors automatically. This comes in handy as it's mostly accurate. The options further down are for audio, and we'll talk about those soon. Here are some advanced tools to quickly get things done. We are not going to cover them all, but let me show you how those work. For example, this pan and zoom will add a nice zoom effect to the clip. We'll see the effect area as we move the playhead. To preview, click the blue button. To apply it, click Done. We also have a few audio tools to improve the audio quality. This is the effects area. These are some common effects to change the video style. For example, the vignette effect will add a vignette. As you add an effect, the Applied Effects panel opens to adjust the effect settings. Each has different tools, so you can try and explore if you like. Then are transitions. Transitions are a sort of animation when moving from one clip to another. It has plenty of transitions, and to use one, just drag and drop it between two clips. Elements will open a pop-up asking for its duration. Click Apply. Now try previewing the video to see the effect. Great! We already have music, but Elements offers music clips to add to the project. Just browse the library, and if you like any, drag and drop it onto the music track. We can place it on other audio tracks, but this track has some specific options that you'll see when placing the clip. We can adjust its intensity and check this to fit the entire project. Let's adjust the audio options now. As it is background music, I'll reduce the volume to -30 dB or something. We also have balance if the sound from one side is louder than the other. This audio gain is for increasing, decreasing the audio levels. But this normalize will increase the quiet parts and decrease the loud parts to give your sound that constant level. Let's say I normalize this clip to 1 dB. The program will adjust the sound. Then are stickers. We have lots of categories, and to add one, just drag and drop it onto the timeline. Then change the size like this and move it around to place it. One of the great things in video editing is animation keyframing. With animation, we can change position, size, rotation, volume and effect values dynamically. Go to the Applied Effects panel. Here, on each effect, you'll notice the animation icon. On some it's blue and on some it's gray. Blue shows that the animation for this effect is active. For example, I want to zoom in on this part. The scale option is under motion, so I'll enable the animation for this effect. When you do, Elements will turn all options blue. It will also record the current values at the current playhead position. I'll simply move the playhead. Then all I need to do is change the scale value. Now Elements knows from the past position to this, the value has changed, so it will add the animation. You can also see the value changing as you play. We can adjust the opacity dynamically as well. If you're interested in animations, I suggest watching other detailed tutorials, even on other programs. The concept is the same, so you will gain huge value. To export this video, click here. This is the quick export panel. You can set the name and location and click export. However, go to devices to see the device specific settings. We get computer, TV and mobile options. For YouTube, I suggest sticking to Full HD. Click Save to start the export process. Once completed, open the folder to see the video or click Done to continue editing. So this is it. Thanks for watching and take care.